Alright, so if you are new into the crypto ecosystem and you also wanted to invest into the cryptocurrencies, but you don't know from where you have to start. So in this video, I will explain very simple terminology, very simple roadmap through which you can actually go through the crypto ecosystem. So stay tuned to this video and just hit on the subscribe button because you will be getting quality information related to crypto to your YouTube feed. So this is the website which you are actually watching to my screen, which is coingecko.com. This is the Bible of the crypto. It has all the information that you are looking related to crypto. Let's understand step by step. So right now, as you can see on the homepage of CoinGecko, we have 353 tokens listed, 1200 plus exchanges. Market cap of total crypto is 3.47 trillion and 24-hour volume is 157 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is 54 and ETH is 11% dominating, and the gas is 6.65 GWE. So this is the first thing that you see on the top, but you must have get a very simple observation through this website. Is currently we have 16,000 tokens which are running into the crypto ecosystem, but that's not true. That means 16,000 tokens are listed to this website. So CoinGecko is the website where all the cryptocurrencies which are being filtered through the CoinGecko team are listed here into different categories. And here, this is the top page where you can see Bitcoin is at number 1, and this number is being decided by the market cap. The total amount of money is inside the asset. So right now it has 1.8 trillion dollars into the Bitcoin. At the second, we have Ethereum, Tether, XRP, BNB, Solana, and this is the list. So what if you have to start? What if you have to understand what is crypto and how to buy crypto and which crypto you have to buy, where you can get the knowledge? So I think the number one step that you have to do is, I think you have to create a new account over the exchanges. So this is the first step that you have to do, because if you want to make money, if you want to explore the system, so the first thing that you have to do is just be a part of the system. So Binance is the biggest exchange. You can choose different exchanges. If you go to this website and click on here, so it will give you the list of all the exchanges. And right now, number 1 exchange is Bybit, second is Coinbase, OKX, KuCoin, Kraken. So multiple exchanges are here. What you have to understand is, in the crypto there are two kind of exchanges. Number 1 is centralized exchange and number 2 is decentralized exchange. So crypto is decentralized, but still multiple tokens are traded into centralized manner, and these are the list of centralized exchanges. So you have to go to this website, choose any exchange that you love and just create an account. So for example, you have to choose this Binance. You go to the sign up and create a new account, and after completing the account creation process, what you have to do is you will see these kind of tokens which are listed, and here you can see the prices of the tokens and the change in 24 hours. So now the next task is you have to buy tokens. Once you have created the account, now you are eligible to buy and sell the tokens. Next step is to fund your exchange wallet, because you will be having $0. Then you have to fund your wallet with fiat through Apple Pay, through UPI, or any preferred method. Just fund your wallet. And if you are struggling how to fund your wallet, just go to the YouTube and just search how to fund Binance account, and it will there will be multiple videos through which you can actually learn how to deposit, how to add fund to your Binance. So this is the first step. Once you have loaded your wallet with some USDT with your funds, the next step is token buying process. Now, once you are ready to buy the token, the point is which token you have to buy. So this is the deciding factor from where the whole research of crypto market starts, in which token you have to invest. So we have multiple tokens here right now, and if you click on the favorite list of mine, we have BNB, Pepe, BTC, Ronin and Tau. So if you are interested to be into the most stable, most widely known, which is Bitcoin, then you can directly hit on this and search for BTC and then click on BTC, and then this is the chart, and then you have to go here and you can put how much you need to buy. Suppose you have funded with $100, then you can go and put here some amount, then you have to pay that. So this is the process if you are interested into the Bitcoin. But what if you are interested into the other coins? So for that, you have to do research, and this website will help you a lot. So next step is how to do research and how to understand about any crypto. So this is the chart, and this is the table where you can actually see all the tokens here. Then you have to do is you have to read about almost every token, at least top 10 tokens. So second is Ethereum. Just go and click next and just read about the Ethereum. What is Ethereum? You can see all the data here. Ethereum is a proof of stake blockchain that powers decentralized application through smart contracts without being controlled by a centralized entity. So these are the very basics of any project, any protocol. So next step is researching. Then you can just click on the token list, token data, and just read about the project. Try to understand what is centralization, what is decentralization, what is Ethereum, what is proof of stake, what is governance. So once you find these terms, just research about these terms through Google, maybe just going to the crypto YouTube channels and just watch few legit YouTubers. Just don't try to get everything perfectly. Just think that you are observing, you are absorbing as much as possible crypto content to your brain. So once you understand the basics, what is decentralized token, what is decentralized economy, what is Ethereum, what is proof of stake, then you will be able to understand other segments also. So this is the second thing. Third, which will help you to understand about the crypto, is by going into the category section. Into this category, you can actually understand the whole segregation of crypto tokens. So this here we have proof of work tokens, we have proof of stake tokens, we have tokens which are stable, we have tokens which are invested by Polychain, meme coins. So here we will get the separation, the categorization of the tokens. Now Dogecoin, you can understand what is Doge, you can understand what is Pepe. So this way you can understand just by going through the token data, token info. Just like about the Bonk, you can just go and see at the bottom, Bonk is the first dog coin for the people, by the people, with 50% of total supply airdrop to the Solana community. So this way you can understand what is token, and this is your centralized exchange, and you can actually search for the Bonk if you are interested to buy Bonk, and click here and simply buy this Bonk token and wait whether this token go up or not. So this is the simple way, creating a real account, buying real tokens, and researching about different tokens, researching over YouTube, and just create a new account over the Twitter and find some good YouTubers, find some good influencer who are like very who are giving the content related to crypto, because I follow Kevin and he has very good insights about the Bitcoin, about the market into the macro terms. You can just follow him, and you can also see multiple influencers like him. So that's very basic. If you just wanted to start, I would say just start any centralized exchange account and try to buy tokens, try to research about the tokens which are listed here on the website of CoinGecko. That's the simplest way through which you can understand about the crypto. There is no other way, because there are multiple things that people will tell you that just read white papers, read about what is DeFi, what is POS, what is optimistic stack, multiple different things. You don't need to go through it. You will learn all these things step by step. The first step is creating a centralized exchange account and just reading about top 10 tokens and few categories into the crypto. And that's it. Once you invest your real money, then the curiosity, then the motivation to learn, to read more about the crypto tokens will automatically come into the your mind. So that's the simplest way. So I hope this video helped you, like how you can actually start your crypto journey. If you're new here, just hit on the subscribe button, because I will be posting good quality content related to crypto to this YouTube channel. See you into the next video. Thank you.